Jackson Hole and inflation numbers. Hello and welcome to our weekly outlook. The week ahead will be an amazing and busy week with Jackson Hole Symposium on the last days of the week and US PMI data, while we should not forget about European economic data as well. On the other hand, Chinese regulatories still is the main concerns in the week ahead for Asian investors. Let's take a quick look at the week ahead and the most important events. Number 1. PMI Data. Purchasing Manager Index on Monday will take the central stage. Manufacturing and service PMI numbers from Australia, Japan, France, Germany, Eurozone, United Kingdom, and United States will be the primary data on Monday. As these data are related to the summer, we expect an increase in service PMI numbers and a general decrease in the manufacturing sector. These data is not likely to make any changes in the overall downtrend of Euro-USD. Number 2. German and US second quarter GDP numbers. Gross domestic product, the leading economic index, will tell us more about how the world and Europe's biggest economies have been behaving in the second quarter. At the same quarter in a year ago, both economies had fallen sharply. Recovery in the US and Germany was primarily thanks to the great stimulus packages. In the US, most of these helps will end on September 6, while Germans planning to have it by end of next March. However, according to the retail sales data published in the last month, we expect both to beat the initial numbers and even increase more. With the US numbers, we are expecting a big support for Dow Jones Industrial Index. Number 3. Jackson Hole Symposium. Unlike previous years, this year's symposium will be online, the same as a year ago because of COVID-19. The online meeting will start on Thursday and end Saturday. Still, Friday's feature speech will be where market participants and investors focus on learning more about the following Federal Reserve movements. The answer for when and how to start tapering will be the million-dollar question of the week. Any hawkish signal from chairman's speech means more fall in the stock markets, and dovish tone will help Wall Street to print new records high. Number 4. ECB Minutes. July meeting was important because of the first time announcing about the new monetary policy of European Central Bank. Thursday, the European Central Bank will publish its meeting minutes of July. These minutes are supposed to give us more information about the fate of the stimulus after March 2022, when the current packages will end. Since we expect to learn more about dovish policies from Europe, German DAX is also likely to be supported by publishing the minutes. And finally, US personal spending. Estimates for personal spending in July is to raise by 0.6%, while we are expecting a bit weakness in personal income, especially with inflation in its 30-year high. We have higher prices, which can calm the buyers. On the other hand, we have summer holidays that's supposed to increase the sales. These two factors are expected to move against of each other and cause the persistent inflation. These concerns will add to the market worries about the following Federal Reserve policies to make and create a mixed market in the week ahead. Thanks for being with us and hope you are having an amazing week ahead.